Unfortunately, our hospitals cannot accommodate as many patients as we would like to, as many beds as we would like to. More critical is the factor that we don't have enough human resources to handle these numbers of beds when we start creating more beds in different hospitals, and this whole system is obviously collapsing because of the high transmission of COVID within the community. Our paramedics and medics also getting infected.